How to fix Telegram not sending code. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipian Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix Telegram not sending the login code on your device or your phone number. Well, the problem itself is simple. Now what you can do is make sure you have entered in your phone number correctly, and once you enter in your phone number correctly you should get the code. If you don't get the code, however, then you can wait for a minute and then it'll give you an option to request a phone call. Right, you can request a phone call as well. However, if you don't get it, then what you need to keep in mind is if your account is logged into any other devices, then you won't get the code, the login code on your device. You'll get it on your account. Suppose you have two different accounts or your account is logged into any other accounts, then the verification code, the login code, will be sent to your chat from Telegram. Here you can see Telegram, and you can see I've got various login code because someone tried to log into my account. So you won't get it on the phone number, you'll get it on the application on the account. So make sure your account is not logged into any other devices before you try to log in. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.